I will talk about how can you find your reviews on your Temu app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on you down here. When you just click here on you, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on your reviews here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. And here you will find all reviews you have. I have nothing, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list on your Temu app. So that's all you have to do. In here can you find your reviews. That's all. I wish now you are great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.